told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
Dati na po. Ganda nga ang daan. Siyempre tayo tugas. Dulog pan to. Ha? Dulog pan. Hindi pala petrol to. PPP. Sige. Gas lang tayo. Dito tayo. Full. Full tank bro.
Full tank po. Wala.
Regular. Hindi.
Full tank sir, green.
Oo.
0-0 na po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ganito. Ha? Ano? Ano ba yung daan niya?
Doon ako naliligaw sa sunod na bayan bago dumating ng Mayhay.
Mayhay naman kasunod dito eh.
Pangalan.
Baka sa nagkarlan.
Wala nagkarlan.
Kahit ako, ligaw ako doon.
Doon ako nalilito.
Isip yun.
Baka mo Rizal. Nalilito. Tulong sa mata tapos balik ng gano'n. Dire-diretso. Nakali.
Tapos kakaliwa doon.
Alam mo na yan.
Ha? Alam mo na. Hindi siya, tayo walay-walay na naman.
Ang matandaan
Kaya sa dulo niyan, kakaliwa tayo.
Wala yung dadaan.
Tapos yun, diretso na Mayhay yun.
Bakit tayo dadaan?
Oo.
Dito kami tumano ng kumakakamit. Ikaw
Hindi.
tuman eh, diretso eh.
Eh di, bayan ng Lukban yan.
Oo, diretso.
Ay, dito wala akong traffic.
yung may din ni Sir Jason na daanin tayo. Bakit hindi
Arko?
Oo.
Eh doon yung sa ano, papunta
Baka may keso. Doon sila pinita eh. Yun o. Barini sa Lukban.
pwede ka rin. Ah.
Hindi ko nga napicturan eh. Sabi ko, sayang.
Dito, ito na lang oh.
May hangin.
Yan oh. Yan oh. Kita nila yan eh. Yan oh, Tayabas, kamay ni Jesus, yan oh. Lukban Town City, yan oh. Yan oh. Ayan.
Picturan mo.
Dito na tayo, ano, mahalin ko.
para mag-stop.
Siguro naka ano, ay naman. Kawawa yung pagdaan ko. Sabi ko. Ako yung muna mag-trabaho. Sorry siya tayo. Gusto kong mag-harap kasi na sa tao. Nasa yung busina kita. Ha? Ay, parang ito. Pipip! Sabi mo na lang. Hindi naman kasi naka-open. Kita dito ko. Naulanan kasi. Ilan eh.
Lalakas pa ng lagdag ng ulan. Ay, sakit ng pag eh. Parang akong dinamayan ng yelo, sir.
Doon lang ako maliligaw sa nagkarlan.
Bakit?
Alam mo dano hype na nagkarlan na yun. Sa bayan, kung saka mag-ano.
Pasikot-sikot. Hindi, pagka sa bayan ako lang mag-ano. Vertical na.
Oo. Hindi, kahit dyan, mga